Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Seekway LED Player to create advanced animation and multi-level superposition. Firstly, we right-click the blank space and choose Add Program. Then we select the window and click Material, Advanced Animation. In this interface, we can see Color Scroll Editor and Property. In the first column, we can choose some built-in ribbon. We just select one, adjust the color, position, and frame. Then we add it. Or we can create single ribbon like this. Then we come here on Property. We can change these parameters like Display Scale. We can also choose different advanced animation style to make our effect more refined. Besides, we can also change other properties according to project requirement. After doing these, click Alter to save all. Next, we'll learn how to create multi-layer effects. We right-click here and choose Add Advanced Animation. We can adjust the hierarchy. Then we create an advanced effect as before. Then we can click on the exclamation mark so we can view mixing mode graphic notes. We just choose different mode according to our needs. Now we can close this interface. Click Yes to save the change. So we can click Play to see the finished effect. That is all about using Seekway LED Player software to create advanced animation and multi-level superposition. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.